play the animal charades. So I'm gonna whisper the names of the animal to Joan and she will act out. And guess what she is acting out? Are you ready?
Yes!
Okay.
Ba, ba, ba.
What is this? Can you guess? 3, 2, 1, go! What is this?
Sheep.
Okay, sheep. Yes, that was the sheep. Next. Okay, next animal. A little bit difficult.
There is an eagle.
Oh, eagle. There's an eagle.
Think there is an eagle on me, and
Okay.
there inside there is something.
All right, what is that? What is that? Can you guess?
Polar bear.
Yes,
Polar bear.
it was the polar bear. Okay, next animal.
It's a little bit hard.
All right, but you can do it. Watch her.
I need to be tall.
Oh, I think she's acting out like a very tall. Really, giraffe makes sounds like that?
Yeah.
Oh, I did it! Ah, it was giraffe. Okay, another one. Next one. Next animal. All right.
This is easy.
Oh, very easy. She's acting out some animal like looking like this. What is this? 3, 2, 1.
Elephant.
Yes, it was the elephant.
Elephant.
Okay, next animal.
Moo. Moo. There is something here.
All right.
Moo. Moo.
All right, what is that?
Is that
3, 2, 1.
cow?
Answer. Yes, it was the cow.
Cow.
Okay, next one. All right,
This is little hard
all right.
because it's two things.
2 things. It has 2 things.
Yeah,
Okay,
but just one.
just one. All right. Maybe you are guessing 2 animals, but
Yeah.
what is this? All right, what is that? 3, 2, 1, go!
Lion.
Lion.
You must do
All right,
the-
yeah, we don't have lion here.
Yeah, but
that's the tiger.
Tiger.
Oh, tiger. That was the
It can
lion.
be the tiger.
All right. So next one.
Ah.
Okay. Looks like running, and it makes sound. Neighing sound. What is this? 3, 2, 1, go! Answer is
Zebra.
yes. It was the zebra. All right. Maybe one last. Watch her.
There is something a bit.
Yeah. Seems like walking like that way. And it has something on the head. And also something on the nose. Okay. What is it? 3, 2, 1.
Rhino.
Yeah, it was the rhino. Yeah, here. Okay. Next one is. Okay. Watch her. Oh, what is that? Cat. Looks very cute. Can you guess? I think I know what this is. Can you guess? 3, 2, 1. Answer is penguin. Yes, it was the penguin. Alright. Last one. Okay. What is she doing? What is she doing? Oh, I think I know what this is. Oh, can you guess? What is this? 3, 2, 1. Answer is seal. Yes, it was the seal that we can see in the aquarium. Good job, guys. So you can take turn to act out the animal and let the other one to answer the question. Several weeks ago, we learned that God made the earth and everything on it, including animals. Today, we are going to hear a Bible story about a great flood. Our Bible story is found in Genesis 6. Genesis is the first book of the Bible. It was the play animal charade.